Service to mankind is serving God. Dollar Company, a legacy spanning 80 years. Dollar Company are the makers of world-renowned pharmaceutical products, LICHENSA and HADENSA. Continue to sell millions of tubes annually across the country even today. Behind this extraordinary success story is a simple man, Shri T. Durarajan, the founder of Dollar Company. Durarajan was born in the year 1909 in Tirupattur, a small town near Vellore in Tamil Nadu. His father was the headmaster of a school and he was also the village head. Durarajan joined intermediate at the renowned Loyola College in Madras. Durarajan involved himself actively in the struggle for freedom and failed to complete his college education. It was during this time that his father passed away, bringing tremendous responsibility on the young shoulders of Durarajan, as he was the eldest member of the family. His life had taken a sudden turn, forcing him to relocate to Madras in search of better prospects. At the age of 21, in 1930, Durarajan secured a job at Parry & Company as a salesman, selling hot-boiled sweets, which was highly popular among children during those times. His work required him to travel extensively. He learnt several languages, which boosted his confidence and self-esteem. After working tirelessly for 13 long years, in 1943, he resigned his job from Parry & Company and started the Dollar Company, trading in stationery items, namely pencil lead and fountain pens. He was always looking for ways to grow the business and even travelled to several European countries to improve his business. During one of his travels to Europe in 1950, he got introduced to the renowned industrialist Mr. G.D. Naidu through a mutual friend. That chance meeting marked the beginning of a rare bond of friendship between the two. Over a period of time, he had become Durarajan's mentor, often giving him suggestions and business ideas. G.D. Naidu sowed in him the idea of selling renowned German OTC pharma products, LICHENSA and HADENSA, in India. LICHENSA is used for healing cracked heels and various types of fungal infections. HADENSA is a product used to cure piles, fissures and fistula. In the year 1956, Dollar Company began selling these two products by directly importing from Germany. A packing division was set up at Thondiarpet, which later became the manufacturing facility. Business began to grow at a fast clip. Within a span of less than 10 years, Dollar Company's flagship products, LICHENSA and HADENSA, became a household name. It is at this juncture, in 1966, that Durarajan's son, Mr. D. Parthasarathi, joined the company as a pharmaceutical chemist. Parthasarathi was a B.Pharm graduate with a gold medal from the prestigious Madras Medical College. Immediately after his graduation, Parthasarathi worked for 1 year at Tamil Nadu Dada Pharmaceuticals, a leading pharmaceutical company. In those days, Mr. Parthasarathi learnt the nuances of the pharma trade from his father and soon began managing the day-to-day working of Dollar Company. In 1981, Dollar Company became a private limited company and Mr. Parthasarathi was elevated as the managing director.
He comes and joins Dollar Company along with my father and goes and works in the factory. It is there my brother decided to modify LICHENSA to suit Indian conditions.
In 1983, Parthasarathi modified HADENSA and LICHENSA to better suit Indian conditions while retaining the original German formula. During the mid-80s, when television was slowly gaining ground in India, Parthasarathi realized the reach and impact of television and decided to release TV commercials. Perhaps it was the first ever pharmaceutical commercial aired on television in India.
LICHENSA, phati एड़ियों को चलता करिए.
He was fascinated by the Indian system of medicine and started studying Siddha and Ayurveda. Parthasarathi conducted intensive research in Ayurveda and formulated 3 new products. RAJIESH lotion to treat back pain and knee pain. Another lotion face-to-face to treat pimples and black spots. A mosquito repellent lotion, Quick Heal, followed suit. Parthasarathi soon realized that Indians are not habituated to using lotions and changed the product to ointment form. The products instantly started gaining momentum and became popular in their respective segments. He also developed another Ayurvedic product, which is named as HADENSA and is being brought out as capsules. HADENSA capsules has also become very popular among customers because of its effectiveness.
So HADENSA ointment is used externally. HADENSA capsule is used internally. So using both together, your constipation, your digestive problem is solved.
Parthasarathi was not just a pharmaceutical and manufacturing chemist. He was also quite analytical in his working methods and had a very high level of business acumen. Dollar Company Private Limited, under the inspiring leadership of Mr. Parthasarathi, continues to grow exponentially, satisfying the medicinal needs of its customers.
It is the lower and the middle people market. He always wanted to believe in quality and affordability and which gives results. That was his motto, which my brother also has followed, which we are still following and which we will still follow forever.
Healing and curing them of diseases to lead better, healthier lives.